Hey guys, so today we will be discussing Ixhl. I recently did a video on this one a few weeks ago, so I'm just going to cover some of the catalysts that have the potential to send the stock going up in the future. Um, Currently, we've just had a recent update with two of the clinical trials going on, and I've put both of them on the screen for you, so these are the things you want to be watching for going forward. Any updates slash news on these would send the price in a nice upwards direction if successful. Um, the company also recently ended the quarter with 73 million cash, which will support around 12 months of runway. So for dilution concerns in the short term, this one should be okay in my opinion. As I mentioned in my previous video, the company does have a buyback of 20 million authorized, which obviously shows the company believes in a strong pipeline. The company CEO even said himself, "We believe the current market valuation does not accurately reflect the significant progress we have made across our clinical program." So even the CEO believes the company is undervalued, which is what you want to be seeing from a management. Okay, now we move on to the chart. So I've had a lot of people recently ask me about IXHL's chart and what I think the next potential move is for it. So currently the stock seems to be bottoming out around that 0.30 range, the low 0.30 range. As you can see, selling pressure is starting to ease and it's looking like it could be going for a trend reversal. So yesterday, I believe it closed above its 9-day moving average, which is bullish, and that's what you want to be seeing. And it could be the start of a trend reversal. So currently, the 50-day moving average sits at 0.39, which is some huge resistance, as it's failed there a few times. So what I want to see is from this stock is test that moving average of 50-day and break that, and a close above that would be very bullish, signaling a reversal from a downtrend to an uptrend. So now we move on to the short interest. So the current, according to Finto, the current short interest of the float is around 7%, which is nearing on the higher side, nearing those 10%. So it does have a lot of potential, this one. Another thing I noticed with this stock was they recently had a MACD crossover, which is a bullish indicator, possibly signaling a reversal of the downtrend to an uptrend, as I was mentioning earlier. Um, I really like the company. I like what they're doing. I like the trials they're doing. They're all showing some great success, and this company has definitely has some great potential. With 12 months of cash left, the need for further dilution in the short term is low, in my opinion. So I'm interested to see how this one goes, as I know a lot of you are playing it. So I just want to say happy Thanksgiving, guys. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.